This is the graphing from a table video. Alright, first example says to complete the table for y equals x plus 3 and graph the resulting line. Okay, so you're actually going to have to fill in the table yourself first and then graph. Okay, this first column here is the x column. Okay, and that means that that's what you're going to plug in for x over here in your equation. Okay, then when you get an answer, that will be your y. So then when you go to plot, you'll have an x and a y. You can go left and right and then up and down. Okay, and you'll be able to plot these 3 points and graph the line. So your equation is y plus equals, x plus 3. So you're going to plug in -5 for x. So y will equal -5 plus 3. Okay, -5 plus 3 will be -2. That'll be your y value. So that point would be left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 2, or down 2, sorry, because it's negative. Okay, that's your first point. Alright, then you're going to do the exact same thing. Use the same equation, x plus 3, but you're going to plug in 0. So we'll have y equals 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3, so y equals 3. Okay, so that would be left and right 0 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. That'll be your point. 0, 3. Alright, and then you're going to plug in 4. So we'll use y equals x plus 3. So you'll have 4 plus 3, which would be 7. Y equals 7. So you'll go right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? If they don't line up in a straight line, then you've done something wrong. You've either calculated wrong or you've plotted wrong, because you should be able to line your 3 dots up, and they should make a straight line. Okay? Again, the x column here, that's your left and right numbers. Your y column is your up and down numbers. So these are making points -5, -2, the coordinate 0, 3, and the coordinate 4, 7. Okay, it's just in table form instead of being written as -5, -2, 0, 3, and 4, 7. It's written as a table, which in my opinion is actually even easier than seeing it written with parentheses. Okay, but that's the same thing. Alright, example number 2. Okay, we're going to take -3 and plug it in to y equals 3x plus 1. So leave the 3, take out the x, plug in -3 plus 1. Okay, 3 times -3 is -9. -9 plus 1 is -8. So that would be the coordinate -3, -8. So I'm going to go left 3, 1, 2, 3, that's my x, and down 8 because it's negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be all the way down here. Okay. Alright, now we're going to plug in 0. So we're going to have y equals 3x plus 1, and I'm going to plug in 0. Leave the 3, take out the x, plug in 0, plus 1. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is just 1. So this will be the point 0, 1. So left and right 0, up 1, and that'll be the point. Alright, and then plug in 3x plus 1. We're going to plug in 2. So, we're going to take 3 times 2 plus 1. So that'll be 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So you're going to go right 2, 1, 2, and then up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Then again, this should make a straight line. You're going to be using rulers, so your line will be much better than mine. Okay. Okay, if one of these points is off and they're not lining up in a straight line, you either did the calculations wrong or you plotted wrong. You need to go back and fix it and figure out what you did. They should make a straight line. Alright, example 3, you're going to plug in -4. So we have y equals -2 times -4 for the x. Okay, so -2 times -4 is 8. Again, you're going to have a calculator.